Kumar Dash. I am head of the department in School of Law and Legal Affairs at Noida International University. Because of pandemic COVID-19, School of Law and Legal Affairs has initiated online classes for the student so that the study of a student should not suffer at this difficult time. At the initial stage, it is little bit difficult for all of us to convince the student to shift from offline classes to online classes, but subsequently the transition is very smooth because of the hard work of the faculty and the student. The academic material has been sent to the student through email, WhatsApp and other social media platforms. A virtual class has been conducted each and every day through Google Meeting and Zoom. The doubt and the queries the student have has been sorted out by the faculty on each and every day. All the classes of School of Law and Legal Affairs are very prompt, frequent, precise, focused and balanced. A special initiative has been taken by the department in which the student should not feel isolated at this difficult time. A learning environment has been formed in the School of Law and Legal Affairs in which every faculty of SLLA has worked some extra mile in which the student should feel comfortable and understand the fundamentals of the subject. Finally, I would like to say that at this difficult time, stay safe, healthy and maintain.
Hello everyone. I am Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty, School of Law and Legal Affairs, Noida International University. At this present time of complete lockdown, because of this global pandemic of COVID-19, Noida International University, School of Law and Legal Affairs has taken the initiative as per the recommendation of the University Grant Commission as well as by the Government of India for conducting online classes. And since the announcement of this complete lockdown, School of Law and Legal Affairs has started online classes for all the law students which we have in our department, and we were providing all the relevant study materials to our students through different e-platforms which we were having at present. The groups has been created, WhatsApp groups has been created to communicate with the student, to address, to entertain the queries, doubts and clarification on each and every topic of the syllabus. We were in constant touch with our students to get the feedback also, and during this period the department has received a wonderful feedback from our students about the conduct of these online classes.
Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Pridarshi, and I am working with School of Law and Legal Affairs at Noida International University. As you all know that the whole world is facing hard time due to COVID-19, a pandemic. To restrict the transmission of this virus in the country, our Honorable Prime Minister has decided to go for complete lockdown in the country. As an academician, our major concern was to continue with teaching and learning process. Thanks to our Vice Chancellor Sir and HOD Sir, who has decided to go for online lectures for the benefit of the students. In this process, we have framed Google Groups to share various PPT and other online e-content for the students. We have also delivered online lectures through various online platforms like Zoom app, Skype and Google Meet, etc. Really, it was a very wonderful experience for me, as well as it was a wonderful experience for students. Students were very enthusiastic in attending these online lectures, and they are also giving positive feedback to us. At last, I would request all of you to follow the guideline of Government of India and stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
Mr. Boidyanath Mukherjee, Assistant Professor, School of Law and Legal Affairs, Noida International University. It is my pleasure and privilege to share my views regarding the current online teaching pedagogy introduced in Noida International University to achieve continuity of learning from home for the students by introducing the concept of virtual classroom even during these difficult times. COVID-19, a global health crisis, have impacted everyone, is growing into the storm, gathering steam every passing day and impacting every one of us. These are extraordinary times for everyone, including those of us in higher education. The past few weeks have been extremely difficult for our community and perhaps especially for our students. School of Law and Legal Affairs of Noida International University have always been student-centric, and we as a teacher have always tried to work an extra mile to fulfill all academic requirements of our students as well as for their all-round development. Under these circumstances, the department is apprehensive of the fact about the completion of the course and to ensure that the academics of the student goes undisturbed. Every kind of elaborate arrangements have been made to ensure online classes. We are in regular and constant touch with our students through various virtual medium. There are online classes, question and answer sessions are going on, and we further ensure that there will be not a moment when the queries and academic growth of the students are not addressed. We often go above and beyond so that the PowerPoint presentations, PDF notes and other resource materials reaches the students in time. With the challenges of virtual learning came great opportunities for creativity. This situation forced us to problem solve and always find a way. We experimented and it worked. I think it was awesome that NIU took the timely and proactive approach of learning from home. Building good human beings with knowledge, education and values is at the core of who we are and what NIU stands for. I will conclude with a quote from Albert Einstein: in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. So I would advise everyone to use this as an opportunity to make the most of your time, to study and learn, focus on your strengths, work on the areas to be improved, reflect, do something creative, take breaks, eat healthy, energize yourself by doing work, light exercise, staying active within house, and lastly maintain social distancing. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shomi Chatterjee. I am Assistant Professor of Law, School of Law and Legal Affairs at Noida International University. It is a pleasure to share my views on the current teaching and learning process at NIU. The outbreak of corona has affected the entire country, and keeping the students and teachers safe is the prime motive of the university at the moment. The online classes were introduced to fulfill the academic requirements of the students, as development of the students in their process of learning is our prerequisite. School of Law and Legal Affairs has been proactively involved in engaging with students and formulating their study materials so that our students do not face any trouble in coping up with their syllabus during the lockdown due to the outbreak of COVID-19. Online classes have proved to be very efficient as the students spend more time online, and one-to-one interaction with the students has also been very fruitful. The online or the virtual mode of learning is a kind of futuristic learning process that has been introduced by the Noida International University and has efficiently carried out the entire process during this period of emergency. I wish everybody a good health and safety, and let the knowledge prevail.
Hello everyone, I am Panchi Srivastav. I am an Assistant Professor in School of Law and Legal Affairs. I am very pleased to share my views regarding online teaching methodology that has been initiated by NIU. Due to the outbreak of COVID-19, shutting off universities became important for the safety of our students and faculty members. NIU has kept the well-being of its fraternity very high on the list, hence it decided to switch to online learning. As a faculty of law, I have been very proactive in this online structured teaching mode. We have a huge law student base with whom we interact on daily basis at allotted class schedule. I believe that online teaching gives more opportunities for interaction. Unlike in a classroom setup, we can have more one-on-one conversation with our students. I believe that a lot of students who were not comfortable earlier in speaking in class, now they are more comfortably expressing their thoughts and ideas. Now they get more time to think about law concepts, and now we are having more elegant decisions on law concepts. Our School of Law and Legal Affairs aims to fulfill the wishes and aims of the NIU to provide best quality education in this time of crisis. So I believe we have to be positive about future of learning because we are already a step ahead in the education.